Hello guys, good morning. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're first time here in my channel, please subscribe and also like and share the video. For today's daily cipher, our code is FOMO. FOMO. Our first letter F is short short, long short. Short short, long short. And the second letter is O. Long, long, long. Long, long, long. And the third letter is M. Also too long. Long, long. Long, long. Lastly, letter O. Also long, long, long. Long, long, long. Thank you guys and keep safe. Subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you guys.